Your brain is powerful, but also seriously weird. Here are 5 bizarre facts you didn't know about your amazing brain. Your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. You may have heard that your brain is an electric organ, but do you really know what that means? All the cells in your body, including your brain cells, generate electrical signals. Electrical signals are the way your brain communicates with the rest of your body. And your brain has around 86 billion cells. So you can imagine the amount of electricity being generated. In fact, your brain could power a small light bulb if it were hooked up to it. When you're asleep, your brain actually cleans itself. Your brain is always working hard to keep itself clean and healthy. When you're awake, new cells and waste products are created. As you sleep, your brain removes these waste products and replaces them with new cells. This process is called autophagy. It helps to keep your brain healthy and functioning properly. Autophagy literally means self-eating. And that's exactly what happens during this process. Your brain breaks down old and damaged cells and uses them to create new cells. This allows your brain to stay sharp and focused while you sleep. Your brain can relive a memory so vividly, it feels like time travel. You've probably experienced this before. You go in about your day when suddenly a song or a smell takes you back to a specific memory. Your brain is able to recreate that memory so vividly that it feels like you're reliving it in real time. This is called a flashback. Flashbacks are most commonly associated with PTSD, but they can also happen to anyone. They're a way for your brain to process and store memories. By reliving the memory, your brain is able to make sense of it and store it away for future reference. Your brain reacts the same way to emotional pain as to physical pain. When you experience emotional pain, such as the loss of a loved one, your brain reacts in the same way that it would if you had been physically hurt. The same areas of the brain light up when you feel physical pain, such as from an injury, and when you feel emotional pain, such as from the death of a loved one. This is why emotional pain can be so overwhelming. It's because your brain is essentially in pain mode. This can be helpful in some ways, as it motivates you to seek out social support and comfort. But it can also be harmful, as it can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, and self-blame. 90% of decisions are made subconsciously before you even realize it. Your brain is constantly making decisions, both conscious and unconscious. Most of these decisions are made without you even realizing it. For example, your brain decides how much effort to put into maintaining your body temperature, how much to sweat when you're hot, and how much to shiver when you're cold. These are all subconscious decisions that your brain makes in order to keep you alive and healthy. In fact, 90% of all decisions are made subconsciously. This means that your conscious mind is only aware of a small fraction of the decisions that your brain is making. Well, there you have it. Brains are wild. Hopefully, you learned a thing or two about your amazing brain. Like and subscribe for more fun facts that will blow your mind.